everyone, it's Carla Ramitis here from the Innovation Agency, Project Manager for the Improvement and Education team. I've put together for you, as requested, your how-to Moodle guide for coaching for spread and adoption. So let's waste no time and get straight to the website. So here we are. This is the Moodle web page, which is really important that you capture this URL here. So it's www.innovationagencynwc.org. Now, not only so from this guide downwards is our Moodle site, but this is also the Innovation Agency home web page. So if you click on them, it will take you off the Moodle site and it'll take you to our Innovation Agency homepage, which isn't too bad because you get to see all the news and events that we've also got going on. Now, to access your Moodle site, all you need is your login details, your username and password. Now, these should have been emailed to everybody. So if you've got any difficulties, please let me know. That's no problem. We'll sort it out for you. I'll give you my details at the end of the video. Your email should have come from info@innovation, and it will have had your username details and also a one-time use only password, which you'll have to enter, offer a few more details, and then you'll be able to change that then for the next use that you've got. So a little hint here is don't forget you can remember your username, so that will save you from typing that in next time you log in. And also, while you're logging into that, don't forget that there is a Moodle app which is absolutely free, so you can get it on Google Play and you can also get it on the App Store. A little bit of a different format, but really easy and simple to use, so you can see everything that you need for your course. So let's log in. Typed in your username, typed in your password, and what this will take you to now is the next stage where you can actually access the site for your course. So there might be a few other ones that you can see, but this is the one that we need, isn't it? It's the Coaching for Spread and Adoption, April 2018 cohort. Click on the link, click on the icon. Either way, it'll take you through to the course. And this is what we've got. So I'm just going to turn me into a student. So don't forget, all this stuff on the left-hand side is just because we can edit it as a teacher, but this is what you really should get. So there's less information on there. And here we go. So left hand side is the dashboard navigation section. Right in the middle you've got all the content that you might need, and on the right hand side is lots of handy quick to reach information. So we can start off by looking at our current course content. Now these are collapsible, but you can break them down, make them longer, get rid of them if you need, and all this information here is broken down into which workshop, webinars, coaching groups, the welcome, general information, anything that you might need. So you can click on that and it'll take you directly to the section that you need. So we can just sort of go straight to slides or resources that have been put on there. And in the middle is everything that you could just sort of read as you go. So you scroll it down. So as we can see, we've got a few YouTube videos there. Welcome, get started, access to Zoom, survey information. We've got details for Claire Haig there. And as we scroll right down to the bottom, you can see there's lots more things that are embedded in there for you. So say, for example, the workshop that we went to on the 3rd of July, there's lots there around failure, innovation, psychological safety. So if you had a real particular interest in that, then you just go straight through to that. Okay, so it relates to the order of whatever's in the dashboard. So the search the forums really are for you to connect with the peers in your group, so you can actually have a deeper conversation around something, share hints and tips, maybe look at lessons learned, learning from failure, latest announcements, so what the outline is going to be. So this will give you a real good indication of what it is that you're coming next to. So if it's a webinar, there'll be details on there to prepare you a little bit more, to give you some chance and time to ask questions, to get involved in that way. Recent activity, so this will actually show you what's been done, so you can add notifications for these. I'll show you how to do that in a minute, but you can really see what the recent activity is. The tutors uploaded slides, resources, they've added files, so you'll be able to see what's new since you've last logged on, which is really useful because it saves you sort of wondering what's being updated. Okay, so lovely. That's the right hand side. Now, if you was wanting to turn on notifications, what you do is you go to messages and you'll be able to have an option then of selecting different ones that you want to turn on, and that'll go directly to your email account, so you'll get a notification to say this has happened, that's happened. If you want to add to the forum, you go to the group discussion space. So these two are quite important for you. So you just click on the link, and this is where it'll take you. So you can see lots of discussions that have started, one recently from Juliet. So Samuel West, Museum of Failure, 12th of July, 12:30. Let's have a little look what's going on there. And so you can see Samuel Wesley Museum, so it's a webinar, so you can actually do that and log into the news and events page, and it'll take you on to wherever it is that you need. And also Juliet kindly put a link on there for you, so lots of different things that you may be wondering where it's going to be held, and that's there. And as you can see, it's just in general information it's kept. Let's have a look at the announcements for an example. So these are what we'd found before on the right hand side. So this is Greta, challenge shots, planning your journey, webinars, revised coaching group. So lots of information that you are going to need. So that's a real quick overview of the Moodle website. I hope you don't find that too difficult. But if you've got any further questions, then please don't hesitate to let me know. So there's my name at the top. So it's Carla Ramitis, and my email is carla.ramitis@innovationagencynwc.nhs.uk. Thanks for listening.